I'm gonna go over there and see if it's bad, okay? Hey, what the heck is this thing? You wanna go, boy? You wanna go? You can go? The match is on, boy. The match is on. Ding, ding. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Yeah, I won the first match of my life. Hey, I wonder what that chair. Bomb? What? I think that's a little too dangerous. I'd rather not go there. I heard there's spiders and scorpions and stuff like that. I hate it. Well, I guess we don't want to go there. Maybe we could go into that field, maybe? Oh, I guess we could get out of this weird forest that used to be hot like a while ago. Yeah, I mean, things are getting a little weird. The birds are chirping. Hey, that's normal, Red. Red, that's normal. I know, it's just that they're chirping every time, even night. And we haven't even been here at night. Yeah. Bomb, who knows what's been here since night. Well, I guess we're gonna have to get out of here at some point. Okay, so fine, we could just go to the field, I guess. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Wow, this place is so nice and calm. Yeah, I feel like I want to be here a little more longer, but we can't because we have to go back to our house. So, but we'll explore more. I mean, there's more of a field, so I'll have more of a nicer time. Isn't that right, Red? Wow, this place is nice. There's a log under it, so now I can sit down. It's awesome. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to keep on exploring. Hey, what about that giant monster over there? What giant monster? That giant monster? Oh, he's not gonna harm us. He's in a cage anyways. Well, I guess we have to go. I mean, we have to hurry up and deal with this because I don't want to get eaten by a dog. One of my arms already got chopped off. Chopped? I thought they were ripped. Oh, somehow it just came off. I don't know how it just came off. Maybe it's saved. It's still on me, but still, I'm not risking my life. Okay. Let me just fly like an eagle then. Okay, I guess that's all I need to fly right now. Okay, let's go. Come on. Yeah, I'm taking this log with me. Log. Come on.